Freelancers and creators sign NDAs, service agreements, and licenses every week. But contracts are dense, confusing, and risky. For instance, having a lawyer review a simple contract can easily cost you $500 to $1,000, and that's just for one document. Even worse, missed deadlines or vague payment terms can lead to late fees, project delays, or client disputes that cost thousands of dollars, or worse, your reputation and income. What if you could actually understand every contract without paying hundreds in lawyer fees? What if you always spotted risky clauses before it's too late? What if obligations were shown as clear checklist items, so you never missed a payment or expiry? What if contract pages didn't scare you, but guided you? With Lexi, that becomes reality. Meet Lexi, the AI contract co-pilot, built for freelancers and creators. It instantly scans your contract, detects its type, highlights critical clauses with confidence scores, and turns obligations into a timeline you can easily follow. To get started with Lexi, simply visit uselexi.xyz. Click the button that says Get Started for free and sign up quickly with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll go through a short onboarding process, just your name, whether you're a freelancer or creator, and your specialities. This helps Lexi personalize its responses to your profession, so every contract analysis is tailored to you. Great. Once you're done with onboarding, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. At first, it will look empty, since this is your very first visit. But don't worry, you can drop your file into the box, or simply click inside the box to upload. We currently support PDF, docx, and TXT files. And here's the important part. Your files are encrypted and never uploaded to our servers. This ensures your privacy and security at all times. Let's try uploading a file that isn't a valid contract. Watch as Lexi intelligently detects and rejects it in real time. The dashboard will guide you to create your first contract. Now, let's try uploading a file that's a valid contract and watch how Lexi performs. Unlike traditional contract analyzers that upload your file to a server and leave you staring at spinning loaders, Lexi gives you real-time updates as the document is being processed. If any error occurs, you're notified immediately. You'll see every step: validation, structuring, summarization, and extraction of important details, keeping you fully in sync with the app. After just a few seconds, Lexi presents the results. First, the document is validated. Then it's structured, so you can instantly view a clean, organized format. Next, it's summarized into plain English, tailored to you, even before the entire pipeline finishes. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. Thanks to GPT-5, Lexi goes further, pulling out critical clauses, risks, obligations, and even suggestions for negotiation. You can also choose to reanalyze a contract. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Remember how it was empty at the start? Here you'll see your overview stats, the total number of contracts, contracts that need attention, contracts currently being processed. Now let's click on a contract to view the details. The contract info page looks similar to the Analyze page, but with more features. Here you can actually chat with your contract, ask follow-up questions about the summary, and get real-time responses. Even better, your conversations are saved for future reference. Isn't that fantastic? You can also download your contract summary. Right now, we support PDF. Just click Download and you'll receive a notification. Open it and you'll see the same details from the contract info page, but formatted in a clean, easy-to-read layout, perfect for sharing with the other party. Finally, we have the Settings page. Here you can update your onboarding info and you're done.